Hi everyone and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. I was tagged by my sister friend Ellen over at Ellen's Homemade Delights. I will link her channel in the description box below along with a list of questions. This is called the, what tag it, son?
The Crazy About Food tag.
And that's my son Alex. He's going to read me the questions. And also I wanted to do this video when I had my new haircut to kind of reveal it, but me getting away down there and an appointment and everything is just crazy and trying to work and everything, so excuse how I look. Alright, let's get started.
Get ready for the lightning round question. What food would you eat every day?
Potatoes.
What is your favorite restaurant?
Cracker Barrel.
What city has the best food you've ever had?
Panama City Beach, Florida.
What do you get on your sub?
Sometimes tuna fish, sometimes ham, cheese, and turkey with everything.
What do you get day on your pizza?
Huh?
What do you get day on your pizza?
I copied these questions. So what do I get on my pizza? I do not care for pizza. I will eat it homemade, and I like potato and Canadian bacon.
Okay. Is there a food you have always wanted to try? Is there a food that you always wanted to try? Alright, cut. Just think about that one for a minute.
I am. What is it?
It's just there anything that you want to try, like anything.
No, don't cut it off because I'll edit it out. Put that back. Don't stop it.
I wanted to see what the shot looked like.
Alright, is there a food that I wanted to try? Yes, I can't think of it. There's a lot of my friends who have channels
You gotta name something.
that I would like to try.
Then name something in specific.
I'm drawing a blank.
We will come back to question. Tell me about your worst restaurant experience.
My worst restaurant experience would be, yes, my son's doing that motion, what I did. There's two of them. One day we was out shopping, very hungry, decided to stop by Freddy's to get a chili dog. Sat down, took one bite of it, and the child at the table beside us started throwing up everywhere. I'm very weak stomach, so therefore I got sick. I had to go running out of the restaurant. I couldn't eat it no more, and that upsets me because I wish people wouldn't take their kids out when they're sick. And the second time, we was a little aggravated anyway. We were at a restaurant. The waitress was horrible. She kept getting people's orders wrong. And I'm pretty calm until you get me to be mad. And, I mean, we was already there for an hour. She still couldn't get the orders right. I would understand if the restaurant was crowded. It was just us in there, just our group. And I kept telling her I didn't want rice with my meal because that was charged separate. So the third time she came out there, here she comes with this big plate of rice. So I just picked it up and started throwing rice everywhere. I'm like, really? Now, do I feel bad about doing it? Yes, but the service was horrible. Next question.
Who's the better cook, your mom or your dad?
Me.
Your mom.
My
or
mom
your dad?
or my dad. My mom.
Alright. What is one food?
Abigail's wanting to be held. Say hey to everybody. Alright, go ahead.
What is one food you just fail of making? Like the food you just can't figure out how to cook. Like, for example, your beef stir fry.
Yeah, but the last beef stir fry I made was very good, you have to admit.
Okay. Debatable. Alright, restart that one. What is the one food you just fail of making?
I'm going to leave it at that, so go ahead, go.
No, you gotta say it. What is one food?
I'm going to leave the other in.
What is
Alex.
one food you just fail of making?
Beef stir fry. The last one I made was pretty good, but I know it. But you wanted to be held. Please stop.
Name your least favorite foods.
Ground beef. No, baby, please stop. Alex, come get her. She wants to play. Ground beef. I don't really like ground beef. I eat it. But
Name your least favorite foods.
ground beef.
Mom, no, it's a restart. It's a restart.
Okay.
Name your least favorite foods.
Ground beef. I really don't care for ground beef. I will eat it, but I don't care for it. Don't really care for soups that much. Alex, put her down. Put her down. Put her down so she ain't meowing all through that. Ask me that again.
Name your least favorite foods.
Ground beef. Don't really care for ground beef. I will eat it. Casseroles. We're not really big on casseroles or soups, but we will eat it. Okay, go.
Raw or cooked veggies?
I really like them raw and cooked if they're not cooked to where they're just soggy and mushy. And I don't eat cooked fruit. Looks good.
That's not the answer to that question. Raw or cooked veggies?
Both. I like the crunch of raw vegetables. And I like cooked veggies if they're not cooked. Just till they're just mushy.
But which one do you like more?
Raw.
Alright, again.
No, I'm leaving
Raw
it.
or
I'm leaving it.
Raw
Ask the
or
next
cooked
question.
veggies?
Ask the next question.
She likes it raw. You might want to cut that out. How do you like your steak?
Well done. I will eat it medium well with just a tiny bit of pink, but well done.
Do you enjoy cooking or baking better?
I love to bake.
What's your favorite fast food place?
I like Big Macs and the Junior Big Macs bite.
McDonald's. Name a food place you wish it was closer to you.
Cracker Barrel.
Of all things you can pick, the thing that's 5 miles away, could pick Angelo's.
Well, Angelo's, yes, but that's out of state.
Mother, the whole point of this question is to name any place.
Angelo's, but it's in Florida. Next question.
Ultimate favorite dessert.
Anything chocolate?
What food do you gravitate more towards, a party or a get-together?
What food do I gravitate more at a party or a get-together? Like what parties and get-togethers do we have?
I mean, think Christmas Eve, think Thanksgiving.
Bread.
Bread. And next question, favorite foods to eat at Christmas?
Well, we always just have finger foods. So, I like those little cocktail smoked sausages in the barbecue sauce.
What's the first food that comes to mind right now?
Potatoes.
Do you have any willed food habits?
Weird food habits? Or weird food habits?
It's supposed to be weird, but whoever typed this, like, what food that comes to mind, not mind, mine, and what is, do you have any willed food habits?
Weird food habits. I like to mix my food in my plate. I don't mind if it touches. And, like, I like to do vegetables and all that go together. You know, so I can take a bite of bean, potato, and cornbread and tomato all together. It's a combo type thing. Okay, go.
What holiday is your favorite for food?
Thanksgiving.
What's one food you'll never try?
Seafood.
Do you know your best friend's favorite food?
Or liver. But go ahead. Seafood and liver. Go ahead.
Do you know your best friend's favorite food?
I would have to say potatoes too, because she just bought a big old 10-pound bag and was talking about how many ways she's cooked it.
What's the best thing your mom makes?
Grilled cheese. She puts mayonnaise on it.
What's your favorite style of eggs? Scrambled, poached, boiled over easy, or sunny side up?
Scrambled.
Name your favorite restaurant that is closed down.
So we don't go out to eat that much. I would have to say Angelo's in Florida because they only open in the summer.
Yeah, they're not closed down. You gotta pick one that's closed down.
Well, what's one that's closed down?
Well, I mean, we like Ryan's and Hiram. That's closed down.
Yes, Ryan's.
Name your favorite restaurant that is closed down.
Ryan's.
Do you like your bread toasted light or dark?
Light.
Do you like spicy foods?
No.
Do you like seafood?
No.
First food that comes to mind that is green.
Broccoli.
And this has been the Crazy About Food tag interview.
Alright. Thanks for tagging me, sis. Now I'm supposed to tag 3 people. I'm going to tag whoever wants to do this tag. I would like to see Christy from Christy's Cooking Channel do this. If the Bacon Diva has not done this, I would like to see her do it.
And Cooking with Rick.
No, he won't do them. I've tried to tag him before. Rick, if you will do this, I would like to see you do it. And anybody that wants to do it, if you do this tag, please let me know so I can come and watch. The questions will be in the description box below, and everyone that I tagged. And thanks for watching. Please check out a video that should be popping up right about now, or it might have already popped up. Be sure to check them out. Bye, y'all. I want to thank my son for reading the questions.